In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import email from Manychat to ActiveCampaign in just 5 minutes. This quick and straightforward process will help you seamlessly integrate your marketing tools using Zapier, a powerful automation service that connects your favorite apps. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to sync contacts effortlessly between Manychat and ActiveCampaign, boosting your marketing efficiency and streamlining your workflow. To get started, open your preferred web browser and search for Zapier. If you're not familiar with it, Zapier is a versatile platform that allows you to create zaps, or customized automations, between different applications. Once you've reached the website, go ahead and log in with your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, take a moment to sign up. It's a tool that can significantly enhance your productivity. Once you're logged in, we're going to create a new zap. Think of a zap as a bridge between two apps that automates a task you usually do manually. Look for the Create Zap button, typically located on the dashboard, and click it to start building your zap. Now, let's select Manychat as our trigger app. So, in the Trigger Apps section, type in Manychat and select it from the list. The trigger is the event that starts your zap, and in this case, you'll want an event that revolves around new subscribers. You can choose a specific trigger event like new subscriber or perhaps new tagged user. These options will allow you to automatically transfer new contact details from Manychat to ActiveCampaign. With the trigger set, it's time to choose what happens next. The action. So, select ActiveCampaign as your action app by typing it into the search field in the Action section. ActiveCampaign is where you'll be sending your new email contacts. For the action, options like Create Update Contact or Add Contact to List are available. These actions ensure that any new subscriber in Manychat will be promptly added to your chosen list in ActiveCampaign, keeping your email marketing up to date. After you've chosen your action, click Continue. Zapier will then prompt you to map the data from Manychat to ActiveCampaign. This means you'll specify which data fields in Manychat correspond to which data fields in ActiveCampaign. For example, you will map an email in Manychat to an email field in ActiveCampaign. Once all your fields are properly mapped, it's crucial to test your zap to make sure everything is set up correctly. Finally, after passing the test, it's time to publish your zap. Once you hit Publish, your automation will be live, running between Manychat and ActiveCampaign. And there you have it, a seamless transfer of emails between your chatbot and email marketing service, ensuring none of your audience data slips through the cracks.